Thank you, Wokus Bay. Thank you, people. Thank you, PowWow Committee. David, thank you so much for allowing us this time. Wokus Bay, if you could come forward, I'd like to give you and honor you with this gift. When I woke up this morning, I was so impressed that this day was a day that we were to do this thing, and then we were to walk forward in newness of life, to celebrate family, to celebrate moving forward. And his daughters, Brenda and Leanna, are coming out and dancing. Leanna, for the very first time, we're thankful that she's reconnected with our family and a part of our lives. And Sister Lori, we thank you for being with us. We love you so much. Again, thank you very much, everybody. The family is planning a dinner for everyone here on the grounds a little bit later today. They're in the process of cooking a meal over at the community center. We're going to deliver the food over here to the teepee. See if you see the teepee over there to the northeast corner over there by the goalposts with the flags on it. There's some awnings there. We'll have food out there and we'll make an announcement, and this is for everybody that's here.
There's smoke because of fire over by the freeway.
I think we're the only teepee out here. So thank you so much.